My name is Millie Dofelmeir. I've been at PGT for 5 years now. I started as an operations intern and now I am the manager of credit and collections. PGT really challenges everyone that works with them to be their best selves, which can be really hard at times, but can be so rewarding. You get to see the impact of your work on a day-to-day basis. Immediately when I started as an intern, PGT gave me major responsibilities. I was working immediately with some of our biggest customers on my first day. By the end of my internship, I was dispatching trucks. Every commodity that has value ends up at its final destination on the back of a truck. So I always wanted to be part of a system that helped keep every other industry running smoothly. I find it really rewarding to work with customers in the steel industry because steel is the building block for every major structure in the world. Having the ability to help on the back end get steel to projects safely and on time has been, frankly, really cool. Being able to drive through the city and know that our trucks delivered the steel for Acrisure Stadium, for example, is one of my favorite things, to be in this area and working with the steel industry.